Are you planning a trip abroad and wondering which translator app can really help you break the language barrier? Today, I'll give you an honest review of DeepL Translator in 2025 and answer the big question. Is it really the best translator app for travel? Let's dive in. What is DeepL Translator? DeepL Translator is an AI-powered translation app that started off as a competitor to Google Translate, but has quickly built a reputation for being more accurate and natural sounding, especially with European and Asian languages. In 2025, DeepL now supports over 30 languages and is available on desktop, iOS, Android, iPad, and all of the devices that you can actually imagine. Unlike some basic translation tools, DeepL uses advanced neural networks to give context-aware translation. So it is not just word for word. Key features. Here's what makes DeepL stand out in 2025. Number one, high translation accuracy. It often captures nuance better than Google Translate, especially in complex sentences. Offline mode. A big plus for travelers, you can download language packs and translate without needing for Wi-Fi or data. Voice and camera translation. You can point your camera at menus, street signs, or documents and get instant translations. Voice-to-voice mode also makes conversations smoother. Document translation. Upload PDFs, Word files, or PowerPoints and get professional level translations instantly. AI-powered phrasing. Instead of giving one rigid translation, it often suggests multiple variations, which is useful if you want to sound polite, casual, or formal. Pros. Now let's talk about what travelers and everyday users will love. Number one, the natural sounding translations. Sentences sound like something a native speaker would actually say. Great for European languages. If you are traveling in France, Spain, Italy, or Germany, DeepL is incredibly reliable. Simple and clean user interface. No clutter, just straight to the point translations. Offline support. Perfect if you are roaming or in areas without stable internet. Cross-device sync. Use it on your phone, laptop, or tablet seamlessly. Cons. But of course, it is not perfect. Here are some drawbacks you should know. Number one, the limited languages compared to Google Translate. DeepL currently supports fewer languages. So if you are traveling somewhere less common like rural Southeast Asia, Google might cover more dialects. Premium features behind a paywall. Offline mode, unlimited text translation, and document translations require a DeepL Pro subscription. Voice translation, not always smooth. It works well for basic phrases but struggles with slang, accents, or fast conversations. Camera translation slower than Google. While it's accurate, it's not as lightning fast as Google Translate's instant camera mode. Pricing. DeepL has a free plan with translation and limited usage, but for travelers who want offline translation, voice mode, and unlimited text to document support, you will need DeepL Pro, which starts at around $8.99 per month in 2025. So it is not free like Google Translate, but you are paying for better accuracy and extra features. Final verdict. So is DeepL Translator the best app for travel in 2025? If you are traveling mainly in Europe or major Asian destinations and you care about translation accuracy, DeepL is an excellent choice. If you are on a tight budget or visiting countries with rare languages, Google Translate might be more practical since it's free and supports more languages. My honest take, DeepL is like the premium option for serious travelers, students, and professionals who want reliable translations, while Google Translate is the everywhere, everyone backup. And that's all of our today's review. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.